happy Friday Eve. I can't think of a better way to start the day than with fresh buttery milk pancakes. But these are going to be vegan pancakes, so here you go. It's very easy to make. All you need is some apple cider vinegar, some vanilla, any kind of milk. I'm using almond milk. You need baking powder, you need flour, and you need sugar and salt. And my secret ingredient for my pancakes, cinnamon. A dash of cinnamon sets it off. So really simple. You need a tablespoon of baking powder. Baking powder, not baking soda. You don't want a salty situation. Then you need 2 tablespoons of organic sugar. If you don't have organic sugar, you don't need it. Regular sugar works just fine. You need a cup of flour, 1 cup of flour. And I like to sift my flour just because you want a fluffy pancake, right? You don't want a nice dense pancake that just sits on you. And sifting it just makes it more airy. See, that's what you don't want in your pancakes. That's why you sift it. Trash this, okay? And now we need half a teaspoon of salt. Get everything all mixed together. I'm telling you, it sets it off. So, ACV. One tablespoon. The amount of vanilla you put in there is really up to you. You can do 1/4 teaspoon or ½ teaspoon, just depends on how vanilla-y you like your pancakes. I'm gonna do 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, and then you need a cup of milk. And again, I just like using almond milk because I think almond and vanilla and pancakes just sounds really good. Give this a stir. And then you're going to combine the ingredients, the wet and the dry. And you always want to mix them separately before you combine. It just gives you a way to make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed properly. It's a little fun to see it all come together. Here, I'm let you see. Okay, and see, that's how you want it. Okay, and you know it's time to flip when you start to see the bubbles start popping up.